Okay, well.
You gotta take this. It's on. You fucking play.
Where's the play?
The big button. Get it up here. No!
It's been on.
Really?
Hey!
We're all constipated.
What's your name?
Ow! Watch my cross eyes, ready? We're hanging out with... What's your name?
Francesca Mountain Dew.
Andy. We're hanging out with Andy. Andy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know who you are. What are you doing? Look at me.
Francesca from Mountain Dew.
Oh, this is the wrong class.
She's a Chinese lady, don't mind her.
That distracted Puerto Rican look she had.